Hello everyone. Today we are going to make imli ki chutney. In English we can call it tamarind sauce. So this sauce which we are going to make can be stored in refrigerator and can be used up to 3 months. So let's begin. To begin with, first of all you have to soak the tamarind in water for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours you will see that the tamarind has become little soft. Now it is ready to grind. Transfer it into a mixture bowl, a grinder, and grind it well until it becomes a smooth paste, something like this. Now take a kadhai or a pan, heat it well and add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, add asafetida, means hing in Hindi. Add at least half a spoon and now add your tamarind paste which you grinded it. Add some water in it and cook it well for some time, for at least 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes add jaggery. I've added jaggery powder here. It is easy to mix, otherwise you can use whatever form of jaggery you have. Just break it in well into pieces and add it and mix it well until it gets dissolved. Keep stirring it. After some time you will see this kind of color. Now you have to add black salt into it, at least 1 tablespoon of black salt, and jeera powder into it. 1 tablespoon of jeera powder will be fine. For this quantity, mix it well and let it cook for some time. After some time you will see this kind of consistency. I don't want this kind of consistency, so I'm adding some more water into it. Now we have to add little bit of more salt, table salt, red chili powder. Stir it again. And some sugar. After some time you will see this kind of light brown coffee color of texture. It's ready. Now you have to take a big strainer, something like this, in a big bowl and strain it well and transfer it into a glass bottle if you have, and store it in your fridge. Your tamarind sauce is ready. So now you can add this tamarind into different recipes like tikki, chaat, papdi chaat, or whatever form of chaat you can add it into it, bhel puri also. So friends, your tangy and sweet chutney is ready. Goodbye.